Welcome back to the channel, guys. What a beautiful Sunday it is here. We're going to work on building a patio privacy fence. Our neighbors are great, but sometimes you just need a little privacy. First things first, this cross member is in my way. And then right after that, we started painting the post black. Here's my beautiful wife, Kelsey. She's the designer, and today she's helping me paint. The reason we went with black, because it accents perfectly with cedar. I simply added an 1.5 by 1.5 board to my 4x4 here, so we had something to attach our cedar post to. As I mentioned, it was a beautiful Sunday, so of course I had to bring the dog out. His name is Jax. As I mentioned in the title, we're going to also talk about how much it cost. You can pick up a quart of black paint for about 20 bucks at Sherwin-Williams. Box of screws was about $15. We'll get to the lumber prices in just a second. We wanted to keep this layout simple, so what we did is we just ripped down some boards and we just went every other. We did a full, then we did a half. I cut a couple of these spacers for my wife to decide what size she wanted, and it was about a 3/8 inch is what we went with. The 10-foot cedar boards were about $250. And my wife mentioned that she spent about $85 at TJ Maxx to stage this. And Callan was a perfect foreman for the day.